Hey everyone, it's Joe here at Equiparts at our annual sales meeting, and I'm here with Barry Walter, and Barry is going to show us how to use the amazing ONA Puller tool to remove both broken and intact Moen cartridges.
Yes, sir. So the ONA Puller is made for both the 1200 and the 1222 cartridges. We've got here a broken one, but if it's not broken, there's instructions here on the back of the card, and this would screw into the stem of the cartridge. You would take then the tube would go over, and then the crank to be able to crank it out. We've got here is a broken Moen Posi-Temp cartridge, and we've just recently come out with the broken Posi-Temp tool. It comes with everything you need to remove this if you already have an ONA Puller. We also have one that comes with the necessary tools if you don't have an ONA Puller. The way it works is you take a screw, and there's some pilot holes here. You line the pilot holes up north and south. You drive in the drill to make the pilot holes. You then drive in the screws like we already have here. And once those are in, you take the threaded rod that comes with the kit, you screw it into the mounting block that you mounted on there, take the tube for that, slide it over, it sits up against the valve body, and then again the crank just, and because it's pressing up against the valve body, there is no pulling, it's physics, it just pushes up against the valve body and pulls the broken cartridge out without having a whole lot of problems otherwise. So
That's amazing. Well, it looks incredibly easy. There you go. All right. Well, thanks so much,
Yes,
Barry. Thanks for showing us that. We have these available in stock at Equiparts. Give us a call and pick one up for yourself.